What documents do I need to renew my expired driving license in the UK?
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of renewing your expired driving license in the United Kingdom. An expired license can cause all sorts of issues, so it's essential to renew it promptly. Here's the list of documents you'll need to prepare.
What's the first document I need?
The first and most crucial document you'll need is your expired driving license. If you've lost your license, don't worry. You can still renew it, but the process might be a little more complicated.
What personal identification documents do I need?
Next, you'll need to prove your identity. The UK Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA, accepts a range of identification documents, but the most commonly used is a valid UK passport. If you don't have a passport, don't worry. You can also use other documents such as a biometric residence permit or a UK certificate of naturalization.
What address proof do I need?
In addition to your ID, you'll need a document to prove your address. This can be a recent utility bill, a bank or credit card statement, or a council tax bill for the current year. Make sure the document clearly shows your name and current address.
Do I need any other documents?
If your appearance has drastically changed since your last license was issued, you might need to provide a recent passport-style color photograph. Remember, this photograph must be a true likeness of you, and it must meet the specific requirements set by the DVLA. There you have it. Those are the key documents you'll need to renew your expired driving license in the UK. Remember, preparation is key. The process will be much smoother if you gather all the necessary documents beforehand. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful. Safe driving!